Today we'll talk about how can you select country on your Braille app. We'll go to figure out the selection or know how you can do that on your Braille app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just click here on profile here. When you just click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to settings list here. Then you click here on change here. When you just click on change, it's going to show for you a list like this here. And here can you add where are you from here in this list, or your country, or any country you want to add. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you.